Another one of our auctions up at Pot of Gold Auctions is our Chinese Clamp-on spike bayonet for the AK-47 or the MAC-90, really. So this was an aftermarket addition, an accessory for the MAC-90s. You would remove the rear pin from the front sight post. You'd clamp on this spike bayonet and then use that pin to retain the top part of the clamp. This one was straight from Omega Weapon Systems here in Tucson. They imported them back in the day, and this is one of the last ones from the box. That's the box that they came in, and this last photo is a bunch of them in the Cosmoline. Of course, this one is all cleaned up. It's up at Pot of Gold. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for looking. So let us know what you think. We'll be watching the comments wherever you find the video, over on gunstreamer.com or on guntube.org. Thank you for supporting our projects. If you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, check out our Patreon channel.
The guys and gals of gunwebsites.com encourages you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thank you for watching gunwebsites.com.